So we're blinking on high temp right now, and it's set to 67. So I can turn that down, and it will kick up the fan speed based on what the current temp is compared to the high temp. That's the current fan speed, it's at 7. So if you just wanted to lower the temperature, it will raise the fan speed to try to achieve that temperature. But it's not ever going to get to 62 because there's no air conditioning and you don't keep your house that cold. But it would just have the fan on a relatively high setting. If I drop that down to way down to 40, the difference between what it's set to and the temperature in the room, the ambient temperature, would be great enough that that would go all the way up to 10. The fan speed would.
Do I always leave it on high temp? You have it on. That's
Yeah,
what it looks like.
yeah. High temp is what we care about.
Okay.
The low temp, the humidity, none of that matters. It's just the high temp.
Okay. So if it ends up switching out of the high temp for some reason, how would I switch it back?
That button cycles through all the different settings.
Do you have to push select on that, or any of those select? Or
Nope, it's just.
you just leave the dot on it, and that's the select.
So just make sure when you're done, you go back to the screen here.